today's video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem of African Mathematics Olympiad, Mozambique 2003. Here is the following setup. Find all functions f r to r such that we have this setup: f of x square minus f of y square equals x plus y is multiplied by f of x minus f of y. Okay, generally by plugging the variables inputs to find outputs, it doesn't work. As you plug in the inputs, doesn't give you the outputs. To find the relationship between outputs and input, to find how this function goes, to find the general formula for this function. Okay, so this way may not work. Okay, so we are going to try another way. Try to give the hands to this problem when we come back to see the full solution. Okay, let's get into the solution now. So we have this expression: f of x square minus f of y square equals x plus y factor f of x minus f of y. Okay, so the idea to solve this one, if you take a look at the x square and y square and this x plus y and this f of x minus f of y, as we know, x square minus y square as the difference of the two squares is giving us x minus y factor x plus y. So there is a straight relationship between these terms. So now I'm going to divide both sides by x square minus y square. For this one, I will have the same thing: x square minus y square. So if you take a look carefully, I'm going to factor out this difference of these two squares, which is x minus y factor x plus y. Okay, now we'll have a nice cancellation here. X plus y will be cancelled out with x plus y. I will have f of x square minus f of y square is divided by x square minus y square equals f of x minus f of y is divided by x minus y, like this. Okay, so the next thing here, so by the definition, if you go back to the derivative function definition, so I will have the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x is divided by x plus h minus x, which is h, as h goes towards 0. Okay, this one is given as f prime of x at the point x. Okay, so by the definition, so I'm going to do the same thing here by plugging the limits on both sides as x goes towards y. Okay, like this. The same thing, x goes towards y. So this one is giving us f prime of y square. This one is giving us f prime of y. Okay, so I have ended with this expression. This one is telling us y square equals y, which equivalent, by taking the y to the left hand side of this equation, I will have y is multiplied by y minus 1 equals 0. Okay, this one is telling us y equals 0 or 1. Okay, what does it mean? Since y equals 0 or 1, that means this f prime is constant. Okay, so that means f prime of x is constant a. Okay, what is a is a real number. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this one now. I will have f of x equals ax plus b. B, where is a and b are the real numbers. Okay, now we found the general formula for this function. Okay, so in order to make sure what we were doing is right, I'm simply going to plug this one into this function to see is verifying this function or no. Okay, I'm simply going to plug x squared and y squared into this function and make the difference of these two terms to see what's given us. So I will have f of x squared minus f of y squared. I will have ax squared plus b minus ay squared plus b. By checking this one b b will be cancelled out. I'm going to take a as a common factor, so that's mean I will have a. At the same time, I will have a is multiplied by x squared minus y squared. So I'm going to factor this one out. I will have a is multiplied by x minus y factor x plus y. Okay, by checking the right hand side of this equation, I'm simply going to do the same thing. Just for this one, I will have f of x minus f of y is multiplied by this term x plus y, which is given as ax plus b minus ay plus b is the whole thing is multiplied by x plus y. Okay, so this b will be cancelled out. Then I'm going to take a as a common factor. I will have a is multiplied by x minus y is multiplied by x plus y. Okay, so I found the same thing. I found the left hand side equals the right hand side of this equation. Okay, so I have done this problem. If you are interested to watch this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.